All right, welcome back, you guys. Tonight I don't have my handy helper, so this will be a review. Um, we are going to be doing lemon water on the go. We've got our glass bottle here. It's 1 dram. That's what I happen to have on hand. But it is roughly a little over 3.5 mils. You can really do any size bottle. You could even use a 10 ml roller bottle. Just don't put the roller cap in it. Um, I know that about 1 teaspoon of sugar fits in this bottle. I can't help you if you're using a different size. Sorry. We've got my lemon vitality oil. And for consuming, we've got my mason jar with water in it. Oh, yes, and a very helpful silicone funnel. I'm gonna get this set up on the bottle. Thankfully, it fits perfectly for this. So I will do that and be right back. All right, now that I've got this balanced fairly well and stuck onto my bottle, I forgot to mention, you also need a toothpick. So we're going to go ahead and take this sugar. I've done this without the funnel. It's nearly impossible without creating a mess. Then we're going to take the sugar and we're going to just go ahead and dump that all in. As you can see, fills it up quite nicely. And then I'm going to see if I can do this with just the one hand. We're going to take the lemon oil, and I've learned that if you go over 10 drops, the oil doesn't really mix with your water anymore. So I'm just going to put 10 drops of the lemon right into the funnel. Since I got to do this, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, and I think that was 11. That's okay. Not too bad. So I'm going to take the funnel off and stir with my toothpick, and I'll show you that once I'm done. Okay, so as you could see, it was still a little messy. Still didn't quite get it all the way down here. And it's not so much stirring so much as stabbing, like you did with the sand art bottles. Did any of you do that, or am I just dating myself? Anyway, still a little messy, but that's okay. I'm just going to go ahead. I am lacking on my lemon water today. So I am just going to go ahead and tap a little bit of that right into my glass jar and give her a stir. There, might see a few little crystals floating around, but I can just top off my jar with more water, and those will go away. So there you have it. Lemon water on the go. See you guys next time.